Hi, it's February 27th and I'm Mahnaz, your host at Infinity Galaxy Cast. Another fall of oil after reports on inventories rebuild and a hectic market in the Middle East. Brent closed above 82 and WTI settled above 76 on Friday, February 24th. The closing price of crude on Friday was almost the same as the last week. The price is forming a tense area as it gets closer to the apex of the triangle. It can have a sudden movement by getting out of each surrounding lines. This week, the market can expect a moderate increase to the top of the triangle. The one-year-old war in Ukraine is still going on. Some political experts believe that the war is far away from the full potential of the two countries and it can become more severe in the second year. The unprecedented increase of dollar against rial became the most effective variable in Iran's market. The fluctuations caused a sudden increase in production costs, vacuum bottom, transit, and freights. On Sunday, for the first time, refineries had a hot competition over 106% over the basic price of vacuum bottom. Since the Persian New Year is coming, the volatilities in the market caused more tension. Therefore, clients need to be more careful about the time of delivery. Prices were almost the same in Singapore and the Mediterranean area. Here, you can check several bitumen prices in different regions. That's it for this episode of Infinity Galaxy Cast. Thank you for listening.